Hello and welcome. With the Middle East Business Aviation Show rapidly approaching, today we turn the spotlight on DCA Aviation Al Futtaim, a company that has big plans for the show. I'm joined today by Holger Ostheimer, Managing Director, who can tell us a little about what they've got planned. Holger.
Well, after such a long period of absence due to COVID, we're now looking forward for people to coming back to Dubai, attending the show and coming to visit us here at our facilities, look at what's changed, look at how things have developed. We've managed to increase the management fleet. We've been able to restructure our maintenance organization, increased capabilities on that front. We have been busy across all areas, hangar utilization, aircraft chartering. So yeah, there's a lot to talk about.
So DCA Aviation Al Futtaim is actually taking part in the show of a number of different ways. I believe you're speaking at the conference, you're inviting people to the facility, and you have a whole new stand.
That's correct. Slightly different appearance, providing us with the opportunity to welcoming people at the showground, at our facilities. We're providing shuttle services from the show to our facilities here in Al Maktoum to demonstrate our capabilities for the passenger and ground handling services through the lounges, to meet with our experts on the aircraft management side, on the maintenance side. We have been able to increase our maintenance capabilities, underwent a restructuring in the maintenance organization. A lot of positives that we are taking along. So with the show, with our facilities open for visitors, an event we're hosting on the second night of the show, a big beach party that hope everybody will be looking forward to. Many different opportunities to engage with all of those who have not been able to come and see us in the last few years.
And those who do come will see you've actually added specific new facilities, haven't you, within the hangar and on the air side?
That's correct. Besides the aesthetical element of the lounge improvement that is impending, we have extended our maintenance capabilities on the battery shop front, on the wheel shop front, extended levels of corporations that should be able and keep us busy into the next year.
And your growing fleet, I believe, now also includes a unique aircraft in the Middle East.
That's correct. We've been operating this aircraft for quite a while, and we thought it would be worthwhile with visitors to the Football World Cup, traveling between Dubai and Doha, and especially those who are not in the position to renting an all-out business jet charter, to charter that PC-12 with a number of seats that can take small groups from Dubai to Doha at a very appealing price point.
That's all from this TATV Spotlight in the luxury of the DCA Aviation Al Futtaim Lounge. Join us again for another Industry Spotlight soon.